webinar, we'll be reviewing working with people search results. So first, I'm going to pull a people search for individuals within a certain member status with a relationship to a chapter. As my results appear, there are some buttons at the top that now show for different actions. New search will allow you to complete a brand new search. Edit search will allow you to edit the criteria that you just entered to filter your search further. Under Actions, you're able to complete updates to certain fields en masse or include additional information in your search. The mass updates include adding awards, standings, contact logs, or relationships. You're also able to edit custom fields, member status and reason, and contact options. Extended search allows you to pull international group officers or chapter officer information. Map shows a heat map or visual representation of where people are located within your results set. This is great to use if you'd like to narrow down where in the country most individuals in your results are located. .360 report allows you to pull a report for multiple individuals to include office history, committee history, event attendance, giving information, and more. This report is a great resource if you need information on an individual before visiting them to discuss giving or alumni involvement. Plus or minus columns allows you to add additional information within your search results that may not already appear. Force fit columns will size columns to your computer screen. If you have several columns, you may still need to scroll to the right to see additional information. Deselect all columns will remove all selected columns and give you a clean slate to select whatever information you'd like to include in your results. After selecting your fields, you can save them as your default columns so that the same information will appear for each people search you pull. Also remember that you can sort by your column headers. Save allows you to save the search criteria. Remember that you are not saving the results. You can allow others to view your search as well as edit your search. Your search will now appear under Searches. And if this is a search that you'll be using frequently, you can mark it as a favorite by clicking the star icon that's right beside the search name. For you, it will now appear as a favorite search so that you can find it a little bit easier. You can still edit criteria for a save search if you need to by clicking Save and selecting if you want to save it as a new search. So if you've pulled in more information, you can save it as a new search, or if you would like to override your previous save. The originator of the search will also have the ability to delete the search if it's no longer applicable. Member records should be added through Vault. However, you may need to create a record for a new staff member or spouse that has no previous affiliation with your organization. To add an individual's record in Compass, search for their name to make sure a record does not already exist. Once you've done that, click Add and complete the steps to create their record. If you need to navigate to an individual's record, you can click on their name in your results set, and it will take you to their personal profile. Use the double arrow that's available in the right corner to go to the next person in your results. If you do not see the double arrow, you may need to zoom out on your screen. If you would like to go all the way back to your results, click the double arrow and scroll all the way up to the top and click Back to Results. Email allows you to send an email from Compass to the individuals in your results set. A contact log is automatically stamped on each record, and the email comes from a Compass server domain, so you would select which email would be appropriate for it to come from. This is customized for each organization. You can select a template, or you can free text. You can use the available options to make it a little bit more personal if you'd like. Down at the bottom, you will see a list of individuals who will not receive the email because there is not a valid email address on file for them. Remember that you should not copy and paste an email from a Word document because of issues with special characters. And always send yourself a test email before sending it out to each individual. Generate labels from your search by clicking Labels. Select the appropriate document format, PDF or Word, the template you are using, and the start row and column. Print envelopes by choosing the appropriate template, salutation, address type, alignment, and start row and column. Use the quick keys to print, export to Excel, or export to Word. If your results are huge, you have a lot of records that come up, you may be asked to export to the Download Center. So you would click Export, select which format you would like to use. The description could be the name of the search. And once you click Submit, and the information is ready in your Download Center, a number will appear in the Download Center icon that's at the bottom of your screen.